Okay, I'm going to do another shooting test of my KWA m93r, and it looks like we're about 31, a little over 31 feet away. Same test I did yesterday, but I'm actually using the HD, full HD 1080p, and I'm doing a same test, basically testing out my camera this time. So let's see how it looks. On full auto. Shooting at Maggie first. And then little Bobble dog. And it didn't quite do the whole mag. Huh. Anyway, let's zoom out for a second. This is what it kind of looks like with the extended super high cap mag. And I haven't quite figured out how to get it gassed up all the way. I gassed it up for a long time and it seems like it didn't quite shoot them all out.